Clapperboard Cloud AI account banned. How to appeal and fix disabled accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you just tried to log into Cloud AI and got hit with a message saying your account has been disabled or suspended, don't panic. You are not alone, and in most cases, this is fixable. I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened, why it happened, and step by step how to get your account back. Let's get into it. First, don't assume you're banned before you do anything else. Take a breath. The very first thing you need to do is check the Cloud status page at status.claude.com. 5. There have been widespread Anthropic service outages that prevented thousands of users from logging in, and many of those users assumed they were banned, filed appeals, wasted time troubleshooting, or even created new accounts, which itself can trigger a ban for duplicate accounts. So check the status page first. It takes 10 seconds and can save you hours of stress. Step 1. Read your error message carefully. Once you've confirmed there's no outage, look at the exact error message you received. 5. The message, "Your account has been disabled after an automatic review of your recent activities," indicates a true policy violation ban. This is the most serious type, typically triggered by terms of service violations detected by automated systems. On the other hand, 5. The message, "This organization has been disabled," usually indicates a billing or organizational level issue, which could be a payment problem, a fraud detection flag, or an administrative action. And 5. Rate limit messages like "usage limit exceeded" or "rate limit reached" are not bans at all. They are normal Cloud rate limits that reset automatically. Understanding which type you have matters a lot because 5. A true ban requires a formal appeal, a billing issue requires contacting payment support, and a technical issue requires reauthentication. Step 2. Understand why you were banned. Now let's quickly go over the most common reasons accounts get disabled so you know what you're dealing with. For many Cloud AI users receive the error message, "Your account has been disabled after an automatic review of your recent activities," which means Claude's automatic review system detected unusual activity on the account. Here are the main triggers. Number 1. Network and IP issues. 7. Accessing your Claude account from one IP location and then, minutes later, from a completely different country is a massive red flag for the system. Number 2. 4. Accounts registered using temporary phone number services are often directly banned. Number 3. 4. Violating terms of service, such as posting inappropriate content, abusing the API, or engaging in malicious activities, can lead to account suspension. Number 4. 8. A common mistake users make is registering multiple accounts under the same device fingerprint. An Anthropic system easily detects this hardware and browser fingerprinting, leading to suspension of all associated accounts. And number 5. 8. Attempting to pay using certain prepaid cards, untrusted virtual credit cards, or cards with a history of chargebacks will flag your account. And even a simple mismatched billing address can result in an immediate suspension. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Alright, now let's fix it. 7. A calm, professional, and evidence-based appeal is your most powerful tool. Here is what you need to gather before you write anything. Collect your account email address, note the approximate date the suspension happened, and gather any payment receipts or subscription confirmation emails. Also write a clear, honest summary of how you typically use Claude. 2. Be honest about your activities and avoid making false claims, as this can seriously harm your appeal. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Now go to the official Cloud Help Center at support.claude.com. 5. Go to the Safeguards, Warnings, and Appeals page in the Cloud Help Center and fill out the appeal form with your account email, a description of your use case, and your payment documentation. Alternatively, 4. You can send an email directly to support@anthropic.com with detailed account information. 2. A successful appeal should be comprehensive and professional. Include your account information, the approximate date of suspension, a clear description of your typical use cases, and any technical circumstances that might have contributed to the ban, such as VPN usage. Step 5. Wait patiently and stay calm after submitting. 2. The appeal process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the complexity of the case and Anthropic's current support workload, so patience is essential. And most importantly, 3. Be patient and avoid creating multiple new accounts while your case is pending. Creating new accounts while an appeal is open can make things worse. Step 6. If your appeal is denied, if your appeal doesn't go through, 2. Minor or accidental violations may be appealable. But serious policy violations like attempting to generate harmful content often result in permanent bans. If that's your situation, 3. If Claude support confirms your account cannot be restored, and the ban wasn't tied to a severe policy violation. You may attempt to create a new account using a fresh environment with a new email and IP address, but you must ensure your future usage remains fully compliant. Step 7. How to prevent this happening again going forward. Here are the golden rules to keep your account safe. 4. Use a clean and stable network environment and avoid frequent IP address changes. 4. Strictly adhere to platform rules and terms of use, and use accurate and valid registration information. 4. Control access frequency. Avoid making large-scale requests in a short time, and refrain from logging in from multiple devices simultaneously. Outro, and that is it. Your complete step-by-step guide to understanding, appealing, and fixing a banned Cloude AI account. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and drop a comment below telling me if your appeal was successful. I'll see you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap, 7 steps. Step Action 1. Check status Cloud.com. Confirm it's actually a ban. 2. Read your error message carefully to identify ban type. 3. Understand why you were banned. 4. Gather your evidence and prepare your appeal. 5. Submit appeal at support.cloud.com or support at anthropic.com. 6. Wait patiently. Do not create new accounts. 7. If denied, follow prevention tips going forward.